What's up, tribe? Today, we are going deep. We aren't just skimming the surface. We are breaking down the 8 rookie traps that are keeping your YouTube growth locked in the basement while everybody else is taking the elevator to the penthouse. I'm seeing the same patterns over and over, and it's time we put a stop to it. Oh, wait, if you're fresh to the building, I'm Temple, and you're tuned in to Templeton Secrets, the only spot on the internet where we don't just talk about views. We decode the actual DNA of YouTube success. Now let's get to work. Mistake number 1, begging for the sub in the first 30 seconds. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking, but if I don't tell them, how will they know? All the big YouTubers do it. Slow down. You are not a big YouTuber yet. In the beginning, your most valuable asset isn't your sub count, it's your data integrity. You want your data to be 100% pure, like high-grade fuel. See, your first batch of subscribers is the most critical foundation you'll ever build. Think of it like a skyscraper. If you build the first floor out of sand, the whole thing is coming down at some point. When you beg for likes and subs in the first 30 seconds of a video, you are basically begging for shallow engagement. You're asking people to do you a favor. The technical reason: YouTube's algorithm is a massive machine learning system. It takes those first 100 or 500 subs and builds what we call a lookalike audience. It analyzes their watch history, their interests, and their habits to figure out who else should see your video. If those subs aren't pure, if they only subbed because you asked nicely, or because they're your auntie, you are feeding the algorithm junk data. You want ride or die viewers who would have subbed even if you didn't say a word. Give them a reason to sub first, then maybe ask at the end. Mistake number 2, burning your savings on ad promotions under zero circumstances. And I am looking you dead in the eye for this one. Should you be clicking that promote button inside the YouTube studio? If your goal is to build a career off AdSense and organic community, stay as far away from that button as possible. Paid subscribers are the most hollow, low retention subscribers you can get. They didn't find you because the algorithm recommended you. They found you because you forced your way onto their screen. This kills your click-through rate, CTR, and average view duration, AVD, on your next upload. Because when YouTube shows it to your subs and they don't click, YouTube assumes the video is trash. YouTube wants its bread, but they aren't gonna give you a career in exchange for it. Build it brick by brick organically. Mistake number 3, the jack of all trades identity crisis. Starting out, you cannot be a variety channel. You cannot talk about NBA highlights on Monday, vegan recipes on Wednesday, and Minecraft on Friday. The YouTube algorithm is essentially a matchmaker. You have to give the matchmaker a map. If you keep changing your personality, the matchmaker gets confused. Target one specific person with a specific problem until you've got the momentum and the authority in the algorithm's eyes to branch out. Once you're big, you can do whatever you want. Until then, stay focused. Mistake number 4, the lone wolf mentality. Why are you trying to reinvent the wheel in your basement? We are living in the absolute greatest time in human history to learn a skill. You can literally bypass 5 years of trial and error by clicking a button and learning from someone who has already bled, so you don't have to. Find a mentor, buy a course from someone you trust, join a cohort. Just make sure they have the receipts and evidence of success. Mistake number 5, treating shorts and long form like they're the same. I'm only hard on this because I see it ruining channels. People get 10 million views on a short, get 100,000 subscribers, and then wonder why their long-form video only gets 500 views. The shorts crowd and the long-form crowd are often 2 different species. If you mix them too early, you kill your average view duration. Keep the streams separate until you know exactly how to bridge that gap. Mistake number 6, letting the haters rent space in your head. The moment you put something positive into the world, the universe is going to send some negativity back to maintain the balance. If you aren't getting hate, you probably aren't saying anything important. The secret to longevity is simple. Never ever respond to a negative comment. Don't give the darkness your light. Delete the comment, block the user, and keep your energy for the tribe. If you fight with a pig, you both get dirty, but the pig likes it. Mistake number 7, the new video every Monday trap. You think you're being professional, but you're actually setting a trap for yourself. You underestimate how much life gets in the way. When Monday rolls around and you're a no-show, you lose trust. Don't announce a schedule until you have a vault, at least 3 high-quality videos pre-shot, pre-edited, and sitting in your unlisted folder. Don't promise what you haven't already produced. Mistake number 8, ghosting the value. This is the biggest one. Every single video you upload needs to have a clear, defined why. Why should a stranger give you 10 minutes of their life? Avoid struggle content, pity-seeking, Pity is not a sustainable business model. You have to provide value. Is it entertainment, technical knowledge, inspiration? Before I turn on the lights, I write down the value proposition. If I can't answer what the one thing you are walking away with is, I don't hit record. Ask yourself, what is the gift I am giving my audience today? If you want to know how YouTube Shorts are killing your channel, watch this video. In conclusion, I'm just happy that we're a strong community. If you're serious about taking this to the next level and you want to support this channel, you can do that by subscribing and liking this video. Share your thoughts and let me know if you want me to cover a topic in the comment section. I'm Temple, and you've been watching Templeton Secrets. May God bless y'all on this YouTube journey. I'm out. Peace.